What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your sensitive content setting on your X app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your X app. After opening the X app, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile just like this. Then you have to click on settings and support. After that you have to click on settings and privacy. So after doing so, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to click on privacy and safety. Then you can find a option called content you see. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after clicking on content you see, you will find a option called sensitive media. You have to click on this option. Then there is a three option. What you need to do, you have to click on the graphics violence. You have to click on show all. If this is on never show this, you have to check this show all button. Then you have to go back. Then you have to click on adult content. After that you have to click on show all again. Then you have to click on others and do the same for this. Then you are ready to go. After that you have to click on search settings. Then if this option is turned on, you have to turn this option off. So then you are ready to go. Now you can see the sensitive contents on X. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.